Hi friends, this is David on another motorcycling adventure. And today I'm here at BMW of Denver Motorcycles, and I'm going to be doing a demo ride. This is a 2023 BMW R1300 GS Adventure. And I've just taken this thing out for a test ride. It's a beautiful bike. This one has the adaptive ride height. Pretty much loaded with everything else. It's the trophy edition, and I really like it. I'm not sure if I'd end up with the adventure edition. It's a little bit top heavy. Don't need quite that much gas. But it's another beautiful bike by BMW. Another adventure here in Colorado.